We'll be talking about client and server. So basically, client is the one who who can request a service or a resource to a server, and server will be the one who will be providing it that. So there are four types of clients. Number one is thick client. Thick client is the one who process and store data locally. So basically, that's why it requires minimal support from the server. It will only be using server when it either it wants to store data on the shared network drive, like MS Word. MS Word is best example where the software itself is stored in your system. Just when the any update has been broadcasted by the manufacturer, you just install it, right? Second is the thin client. Thin client is the one that completely relies on the server. So for either processing, storage, everything, it relies on the server. The best application of it is the web applications, because like if you are storing some data on certain website, like you are entering your let's say your personal details, then all the processing is done in the server, as well as the data you are storing is being stored on that server, not on your system. Third type is the zero client. Zero client is the one which has no software running, like nothing running is on that system. The best example for it is a virtual machine. When you take a virtual machine, then everything that is running on it is not basically like or we talk about the remote access. So when you take a remote access, then anything that you are running on the remote device is basically being run on that particular device, not on your system. So for that, you on this type for this type of client does not require any it just uses any all the peripheral devices like CPU, sorry, keyboard, mouse, etc. So it only needs a peripheral device to connect to that device. That's it. And fourth type is hybrid. Hybrid is basically the best combination of thick and thick line. Here you will be using the computation but not storage. The best example could be automatic rating system. That's all for today. Happy learning.